Like millions, are you also looking for the alternative of NVIDIA's GPUs? Then there is a good news. AMD has come up with a new GPU MI300X, which you can get just for $1 per hour on TensorWave Cloud. In recent times, there has been a widespread shortage of GPUs globally, primarily due to the escalating demand fueled by the emergence of large language models or LLMs in short, and the rapid expansion of AI development. Major players in cloud computing like Amazon, Microsoft, Google, Alibaba, and a lot of them are really struggling to meet the soaring demands for GPUs in their cloud services offerings. Even if you go to AWS account or GCP project and you try to launch a GPU powered instance, more often than not, they just say that it is out of capacity. Simply cannot spin it up even if you are willing to spend a lot of money because these cloud offerings are not cheap at all. For example, if you're running a good highly powered, I think A100 GPUs in AWS SageMaker, it is going to cost you more than $20 per hour, just as a rough guide. And this shortage has led to extensive back orders of GPUs across various industries, with companies such as Meta planning to invest billions of dollars in GPU procurement. The scarcity of these GPUs is largely attributed to the popularity of NVIDIA's flagship H100 GPUs, renowned for their efficiency in training LLMs. But their limited availability is posing significant challenges to AI development, thereby prompting many businesses to seek alternative GPU solutions. One promising alternative gaining attention is this AMD Instinct MI300X accelerator. Now, for me, not only they're unavailable, but they're quite expensive too. So I think if AMD can make them even similar performant plus, you know, cost effective, it is going to be a hit. AMD's Instinct MI300 series represents a significant breakthrough in GPU technology designed to rival NVIDIA's offerings. The MI300 GPUs boast a unique architectural design featuring multi-layered chiplets and high bandwidth DRAM, resulting in superior performance metric compared to NVIDIA's H100 GPUs. The demand for computing resources has skyrocketed with the advent of large AI models like LLMs, which contains billions of parameters. This surge in demand has put a strain on existing GPU supplies, making alternative solutions like AMD's MI300X increasingly appealing. To address this present pressing need for GPU compute resources, companies like TensorWave, are stepping within innovative solutions. TensorWave specializes in hyperscale AI compute platforms and is leveraging AMD's MI300X GPUs to cater to the growing demand for AI training resources. TensorWave's infrastructure offers seamless access to thousands of MI300X GPU accelerators, enabling effortless scalability without complex coding. Also, their platform provides native support for popular AI frameworks such as PyTorch and TensorFlow, promising improved bandwidth and reduced latency compared to conventional GPU cloud service. While the GPU shortage poses challenges to AI development globally, alternative solutions like AMD's MI300X combined with platforms like TensorWave really offer promising avenues for businesses or individuals looking to leverage AI technologies effectively. So, I think that if you're looking for this alternative, then TensorWave or similar service which is offering these AMD MI300X could be a good fit here. You don't have to go with NVIDIA all the time. Now, this AMD MI300X is 2.4 times more memory efficient. It has more memory than H100, and its memory bandwidth is 1.6 times higher. It has 1.3 times more streaming processors, and it has 2.4 times more floating point 8 teraflops, which is quite good. It is already available, and first it is, I think, first to market from TensorWave, I believe. So they are immediately available. You can go with bare metal nodes, or you can go with fully managed Kubernetes cluster to meet your needs, which is amazing. You don't have to worry about Kubernetes mayhem, and integrates really seamlessly, as I mentioned earlier, without any code modification with TensorFlow and PyTorch, which is quite good. I mean, if I don't have to worry about all the underlying software nuances, I think I'm good. It is private, secure, and it offers you enhanced performance. And as I said, you can just get it only $1 per hour, which is quite good. That is launch special, so I'm not sure how long would that last. And I think that not only TensorWave but a lot of other companies um, should be offering this, and there should be more and more alternative to any other monopolistic GPU provider, because I think that is a need of. That's it, guys. I will drop the link to this TensorWave in video description. Go through it. Let me know what do you think. If you're already using AMD MI300X, please share your experience in the comments. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you're already subscribed, then please share it among your network as it. Thanks for watching.